The reasons why these incandescent light bulbs are actually cheaper to run than those LED light bulbs, you are being lied to. If anyone's ever told you that incandescent light bulbs are more expensive to run than LED light bulbs, they might not be right. So I already have tons of these incandescent Christmas lights. I also have a house that was built in the 1800s, which means in the winter when it's cold, I have to run some of these heaters that use resistant heating. So I admit that LED lights like those are oftentimes less expensive to run than incandescent light bulbs like those, but not in my case, and this is why. So because of my super old and cold house, I am always trying to heat it up in the winter. And where incandescent light bulbs lack in light, they excel in heat. So with the traditional old incandescent light bulbs with the filament, 90% of the electricity consumed is actually used as heat, where only 10% is light. And with these LED lights, 90% is light and only 10% is heat. But you have to remember that I am actively trying to heat up my house, and I'm using a resistant heater that is essentially the same thing as an incandescent light bulb. So when the incandescent light bulbs are producing heat, that means that my heater actually has to run less. So how about outside? LEDs are the way to go because I don't want 90% of the electricity I'm paying for to be wasted as heat to just go into the atmosphere. But what if you have a heat pump or gas heat? Well, then my whole argument goes out the window because gas and heat pumps are way more efficient than resistant heating. So in these very specific circumstances where you already own incandescent lights and you are actively trying to heat your house with resistant heat, then switching to LEDs will not save you any money.